Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 126 specified module could not be found, or load library error 126. So here we go. In order to fix it, it's very easy. If you get error 126 on your PC, you can restart the Windows modules installer service. So you can open Windows R by pressing Windows key plus R to open this run and type service MSC. Click OK and you can look for Windows module installer. Here you can scroll down, or you can type W and try to search manually. Here we go, Windows Modules Installer. You can right click. Here you can try to start if you already stop it. But if you not stop, if the status is not stopped, you can stop, then start the service and restart your PC and check if the issues get resolved. Let's close. And then you can run a system file checker scan and check if that helps. So you can uh, search, or you can type cmd. Here the command prompt you can run as administrator. Here you can try to type this sfc space hashtag scan now, and then enter and wait the process. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.